Hello friends, welcome to Vedyug. I am your mathematics mentor and presenting you Vidyut, your last minute exam preparation. In our previous video, we had discussed all the basic instructions about the question paper. Sections का bifurcation भी देखा हमने. Now, according to that bifurcation, we know that our first section is section A, which consists of MCQs and carries 1 mark each. ऐसे हमसे 20 सवाल पूछे जाएंगे जो 1 नंबर के होंगे. Hence, the section A will be of 20 marks. तो चलिए ग्रेट श्रीनिवास रामानुजन जी का नाम लेकर शुरू करते हैं हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन, which is let P and Q be two positive integers such that P is equals to a raised to power 3, b raised to power 4 and q is equals to a raised to power 2, b raised to power 3, where a and b are prime numbers. If HCF of PQ is equals to a raised to power c, b raised to power d and LCM is equals to a raised to power s, b raised to power t, then c plus d brackets s plus d equals to what? हम हर क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने से पहले कोशिश करेंगे पहले क्वेश्चन को समझा जाए. तो एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी लाइक, हमें 2 इंटीजर्स दिए गए हैं, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स विच आर p एंड q. उनकी वैल्यू दी गई है दैट p इज इक्वल्स टू a रेज टू पावर 3, b रेज टू पावर 4 एंड q इज इक्वल्स टू a रेज टू पावर 2, b रेज टू पावर 3, जहां पर a एंड b आर आवर प्राइम नंबर्स. HCF दिया गया है P एंड Q का a रेज टू पावर c, b रेज टू पावर d एंड LCM दिया गया है a रेज टू पावर s, b रेज टू पावर t. हमें निकालना है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ c प्लस d एंड s प्लस t और ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं 4. ऑप्शन A इज 20, ऑप्शन B इज 25, ऑप्शन C इज 30 एंड ऑप्शन D इज 35. सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको 2 चीज़ें बताना चाहती हूँ. पहला, ये MCQ है, 1 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है. आप ये मत समझना कि मैं कुछ भी टिक करूँगा और काम हो जाएगा. गैस मत करना, प्लीज़ उसको सॉल्व करना, ओके. और दूसरी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ मैथमेटिक्स में ये होती है, इट इज़ नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. मैथ्स इज़ नॉट डिफ़िकल्ट. यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड आउट. एक कैच होता है हर क्वेश्चन में विच यू हैव टू ग्रैब. अगर आपने वो कैच पकड़ लिया, यू विल बी थ्रू इट. चलिए अब बढ़ते हैं सॉल्यूशन की तरफ. हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है p इज इक्वल्स टू a रेज टू पावर 3, b रेज टू पावर 4 एंड q इज इक्वल्स टू a रेज टू पावर 2, b रेज टू पावर 3. HCF दिया गया है p एंड q का इज इक्वल्स टू a रेज टू पावर 2. So to find out the solution of this question, we will see that we are given with p is equals to a raised to power 3, b raised to power 4 and q is equals to a raised to power 2, b raised to power 3. And we are also given with the value of HCF of p and q, which is equals to a raised to power 2, b raised to power 3 and LCM is equals to a raised to power 3, b raised to power 4. Naming both the equations as 1 and 2. We are given that HCF is a raised to power c, b raised to power d and LCM as a raised to power s, b raised to power t. Now, if we look carefully equation number 1, we will have to substitute the value of HCF in this equation, which gives us a raised to power c, b raised to power d equals to a raised to power 2, b raised to power 3. Now comparing the powers, we get c is equals to 2 and d is equals to 3. Similarly, substituting the value of LCM in equation number 2 gives us a raised to power s, b raised to power t is equals to a raised to power 3, b raised to power 4. Again comparing the powers gives us s is equals to 3 and t is equals to 4. Now if you look to the question, you know you have to find out product of c plus d and s plus t. So what we get here is product of C plus D and S plus T is equals to 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 4. Solving which gives us 35. Hence option D 35 is the correct answer. Chaliye, let's continue to our question number 2, which is let B be a prime number. The quadratic equation having its roots as factors of B is. क्वेश्चन को समझते हैं. B हमारा एक प्राइम नंबर है. हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन निकालनी है उसके रूट्स की एंड उसके फैक्टर्स की. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन जिसमें रूट्स फैक्टर्स हैं B के. ओके, जिसके लिए हमें ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं 4. ऑप्शन A इज x square plus bx plus b is equals to 0. Option B is x square minus bx plus b is equals to 0. C is x square minus b plus 1 into x plus b is equals to 0. And D is x square plus b plus 1 into x plus b is equals to 0. सॉल्यूशन देखते हैं हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. फैक्टर्स ऑफ b इज इक्वल्स टू b प्लस 1. फैक्टर है 1 तो हमें पता है सभी का फैक्टर होता है. देयरफॉर रूट्स आर b and 1. So according to the formula of quadratic equation, we know x square minus sum of roots of x plus product of roots is equals to 0. Substituting the values gives us x square minus b plus 1 into x plus b is equals to 0. Hence, option C is our right answer, which is x square minus b plus 1 into x plus b is equals to 0. Friends, I would like to tell you that all of these questions basically depends on algebra type of question. ठीक है, algebra में थोड़ा ज़्यादा concentration और assumptions का use करना पड़ता है, तो you carefully do that. Okay. Moving on to question number 3, which is if alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomial, f of x is equals to ax square minus 3x plus 2a and alpha plus beta is equals to alpha beta. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें polynomial equation दी है which is f of x is equals to ax square minus 3x plus 2a. हमें दिया गया है zeros of a polynomial, that is alpha and beta के बीच का relation, that is alpha plus beta is equals to alpha beta. यानी sum of alpha plus beta and product of alpha and beta is equal. Then we have to find out the value of a, and options are option A is 3 by 2, option B is minus 3 by 2, option C is 2 by 3 and option D is minus 2 by 3. Let's find out the solution. We are given f of x is equals to ax square minus 3x plus 2a. If we compare this equation with a standard polynomial equation, that is f of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, we get a is equals to a, b is equals to minus 3 and c is equals to 2a. We are given that alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. So, sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta, and we know sum of zeros का formula होता है negative coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, which gives us minus b upon a. Substituting the values gives us in bracket minus 3 upon a, which is equals to 3 upon a. If we see the formula, similarly product of zeros, that is product of alpha and beta, according to the formula it is constant term upon coefficient of x square, substituting the values of which gives us 2a upon a is equals to 2. Hence, substituting the values in the given equation, we get alpha plus beta is equals to alpha into beta. Now we have to find out alpha plus beta is equals to alpha into beta. Substituting the values which we have just find out in this equation gives us 3 by a is equals to 2, which gives us a is equals to 3 by 2, and the option A is the right answer. Now it's the turn of question number 4, which is if the system of equations x plus 2y is equals to 3 and fx plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0 is inconsistent, then k is. सबसे पहले we should know what is the meaning of inconsistent. Inconsistent means algebraically we cannot get any solution. That means there is no solution for those equations. So we are given with such equations which are inconsistent and we have to find out the value of k. Again we are given with 4 options, that is option A is negative 14 by 3, B is 2 by 5, C is 5 and D is 10. सॉल्यूशन की बात करते हैं. मैंने आपको इनकंसिस्टेंट का मतलब अभी अभी समझाया. सच इक्वेशन विच हैज नो सॉल्यूशंस बट देयर इज इन देयर ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. इनका ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन विल बी पैरेलल लाइंस विच विल गिव अस a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 which is not equal to c1 by c2. Now we are given x plus 2y is equals to 3. इसको रीअरेंज करना पड़ेगा इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन. वी विल गेट x plus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. If we see the standard form of equation, we know a1x plus b1y minus c is equals to 0. Now we have to rearrange it in standard form of equation which is x plus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0 and we will name it as equation number 1. Standard form of equation you all know is a1x plus b1y minus c is equals to 0. Okay. Similarly, we are given the second equation as 5x plus ky plus 7 equals to 0 and we will name it as equation number 2. And the standard form of equation for this is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now what we will do is we will compare equation number 1 with the standard form. So we will get a1 is equals to 1, b1 is equals to 2 and c1 is equals to minus 3. Similarly, we will compare equation number 2 with its standard form, which will give us a2 is equals to 5, b2 is equals to k and c2 is equals to 7. But we are given these equations are inconsistent. So we will apply the graphical representation here, which gives us a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 which is not equal to c1 by c2. Substituting the values gives us 1 by 5 is equals to 2 by k which is not equals to minus 3 by 7. पहले जितना पोर्शन इक्वल है उसको सॉल्व करते हैं. दैट इज 1 by 5 is equals to 2 by k. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग गिव्स अस k is equals to 10. अब जितना पोर्शन इक्वल नहीं है उसको सॉल्व करते हैं, which will give us 2 by k not equal to minus 3 by 7. Again cross multiplying gives us k is not equal to minus 14 by 3. अगर हमारे ऑप्शंस देखते हैं तो we know option D is 10 which is our correct answer. That is the value of k is 10. देखिए मैथमेटिक्स में ना वेराइटी सॉल्व करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आई नो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हो गए पॉलिनोमियल से, HCF LCM. चलिए थोड़ा सा ज्योमेट्री का पार्ट लाते हैं. इट विल रिफ्रेश योर थॉट्स. ओके, सो लेट्स गो ऑन विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 which is if the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order are A 3 and 4, B minus 2 and 3 and C minus 3 and minus 2, then the coordinates of its fourth vertex are. इस क्वेश्चन में हमको पैरेललोग्राम दिया है ABCD. उसके 3 वर्टिसेस हमें क्लियरली बताए गए हैं A, B and C. हमें फोर्थ वर्टेक्स का कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालना है. ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं 4. ऑप्शन A इज 1 and 2, ऑप्शन B इज 2 and 1, ऑप्शन C इज -1 and 2, ऑप्शन D इज 2 minus 1. Let's proceed to solution. ABCD is a parallelogram and diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at O. As you can see in the figure, you can see there is a parallelogram. with vertices A, B, C, D. Two diagonals are there, AC and BD, which are bisecting each other at point O. Now midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD, which means x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. As we know, the vertex A is 3 and 4 and C is minus 3 and minus 2. We will consider it as x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 respectively. Similarly, for BD, we consider B minus 2 and minus 3 as x1, y1 and D x2 and y2. Now substituting the values in the given equation, we get 3 plus in brackets minus 3 by 2, 4 plus in brackets minus 2 by 2 is equals to x plus in brackets minus 2 by 2 and y plus 3 by 2. इसको solve करते जाते हैं. We will get 0 and 1 is equals to x minus 2 by 2 and y plus 3 by 2. Hence 0 is equals to x minus 2 by 2 and 1 is equals to y plus 3 by 2. Then by cross multiplying, we get x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3. Therefore, the coordinates of fourth vertex D are 2 and minus 1. Hence, option D is the right answer. Friends, with this, हमारे पहले 5 MCQ सॉल्व होते हैं. इसी तरह से आपको बहुत सारे टिप्स, नोट्स एंड विद्युत विचार आगे मिलने वाले हैं. So please subscribe to Vidyut to crack your mathematics exam. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing. We will meet in our next video. Tata, bye bye.